Good day, sir. What is the purpose of the two libraries? One is Kotlin Properties Read-Write Property. This interface is part of a Kotlin standard library and is used for implementing properties delegation. It's a key component when you want to delegate the handling of property access and modification to another object. This interface defines two main functions, getValue and setValue, which are responsible for getting and setting the value of the property, respectively. Classes that implement read-write property can be used to define custom property behavior, such as validation, lazy initialization, or any other custom logic related to property, access, and modification. Two is Kotlin Reflect K property. This class is part of the Kotlin's Reflection API and represents a property. It's used to access metadata about properties at runtime, which K-property, you can retrieve information such as the name of the property, its type, and whether it's nullable or not. Reflection is often used to tasks like serialization, deserialization, building, dynamic, or implementing frameworks that requires runtime information about properties. Also, in short, Kotlin properties read-write property is used for implementing property delegation, allowing you to delegate property access and modification to another object. And Kotlin reflect K property is used to accessing metadata about properties and runtime, providing information about properties such as their name, type, and nullability. Number two is, what is the name of the class responsible for delegating property access? The name delegate class serves as the delegate responsible for delegating property access and modification for the name property of the person class. It implements the read-write property interface to define custom behavior for getting and setting the value of the name property. Number three is, what property of what class is being delegated? The property name of the person class is being delegated using the name delegate class. The name delegate class implements the read-write property interface for the person class. This interface defines method for getting and setting the value of a property. When an instance, a person is created, its name property is delegated to an instance of name delegate. This means that instead of directly accessing and modifying the name property of the person's instance, the getValue and setValue functions of the name delegate class are invoked. The getValue function of name delegate is called whenever the name property of person instance is accessed. Similarly, the setValue function is called when the name property is assigned a new value. The name delegate class provides custom behavior for accessing and modifying the name property of the person's class. Number four is, since there are no fun get value and fun set value in the class person, why is it that there is an override fun of get value and set value in class name delegate? The name delegate class implements the read-write property interface, which requires the implementation of getValue and setValue functions. These functions define the behavior of getting and setting the value of delegate property. In this case, the name property of the person class. Even though person doesn't directly define getValue and setValue functions, it can still delegate the behavior of accessing and modifying its name property to the name delegate class by implementing the read-write property interface. One is creating person instance. This is one of the example. Val p1 is equal to person, close and open parenthesis 1, creates a person instance with the name 1. Second example is calling greet on person instance. P1.greet, close and open parenthesis, calls the greet function of the person instance P1. It prints, hello, nice to meet you. Creating student instance. Val S1 is equal to student Pedro 30 and 12. Creates a student instance with the name Pedro, age 30 and grade 12. 4 is calling introduce on the name student instance. S1 that introduce calls the introduce function of the student instance S1. It prints I am student and I am getting grade 12. 5 is calling greet on student instance. S1.greet calls the greet function on the student instance S1. It prints hello, nice to meet you, inherited from person, followed by I am Pedro, specific to person. I mean student. Creating teacher instance. This is number 6. Val T1 is equal to teacher Mr. V 42 history S1. Creates a teacher instance with the name Mr. V, age 42, subject history, and associated student S1.